Let I make you back once again to this wonderful YouTube channel that means OGPRT. Let I introduce you myself, this side OGPRT, and we welcome you to our new network channel where you are going to get a lot of information related about every kind of contents. So let's begin with this video. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Today I'm going to introduce you here the next generation self-server ad network platform where you are going to get a premium traffic service and simply you are going to buy the traffic. Lot of the viewer engagement traffics and lot of the collaborations are going to shuttle in your just simple in one click. It means here you are going to see the all the infraction about the daily traffic that be a 4.5 billion plus. Other thing is geo is 240 plus and ad formats is related about 13 and client per day 16,000 plus. This is a click Adilla. It's one ad many platform. That means a kind of format of ads are there which is on click Popunder, that means banner, in app, web push, in stream video and in page. There are more format, let I show you. There are another format, it is tab link and that industrials, notification widgets and native ads and content feeds. Now I am going to interact with you the expert about us, that is AFF paying, Modibia and Lift. There are the trusted by over 15,000 advertisers worldwide. And the other thing is get traffic that converts. It means self serve, it means smart pricing, get high quality traffic at the lowest price. Already just I have tell you that in the cheapest price you are going to get a huge number of the traffic. Actually smart pricing, anti-fraud technologies, detailed statistics, exclusive traffic source, 24/7 supports, fast and easy start there the create campaign simply. And click Adilla market is looking like an interface. You can just see here new feature which are there. Get traffic non-stop, traffic low guaranteed, no bidding competitions and fixed price of the whole traffic volume. The another thing is real-time bidding, that RTB is attributed here, well proven technologies, all ad formats, global search, acquire audience, safeguards and detected support. There are the two ways where the advertise and demo request. If you talk about the API advertising, so API enable advertisers more flexibility is managing and analyzing their campaigns. Now becoming a publishers, if you become a publisher, that means ad formats, payment integrations and all your sites now is available here. If the payment gateway, that means there are wire transfer packs, some Visa, Mastercard, web money and lot of the another gateways available. Top vertices, dating app download, desktop downloading, e-commerce games, our blogs, a lot of the information inside this. Click Adilla.